Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Facebook and signing in. Make sure you're using the app for the smoothest flow. Once logged in, open your story or tap the plus story icon. You should already have the video saved in your gallery, and it helps if the clip is trimmed to the length you want. Tap Story, then select the video from your camera roll. As you select it, Facebook will show a preview. Review that preview before moving on so you don't waste time redoing edits. Once you've selected the clip, you'll edit directly in the Story Composer. Trim or split the video to remove dead space. Make sure the visible area fits a vertical 9/16 frame. Add text, stickers, location tags, or music. These elements increase engagement, so place them away from faces and critical action. Make sure to set the story privacy to the audience you want, public, friends, or custom. Preview the final result. Watching the whole clip, so timing, and overlay. Tap Share to publish your story, and then check under your story to confirm it uploaded and plays as expected. If the upload stalls or fails, try again on a stronger Wi-Fi connection and make sure your app isn't full of cached data. Clearing cache can help. Also, reduce file size or shorten the clip if Facebook rejects it. If problems persist, update the Facebook app or restart your phone. Test with a short sample video to isolate whether the file or the app is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.